Every 6 seconds, a child dies from hunger.
There is enough food in the world to feed everyone 4.3 pounds of food per day. One billion suffer from hunger, a staggering increase of 250 million since 2006.
Stop Hunger Now is a meal packaging program is a volunteer-based effort that provides meals to schools and orphanages around the world.
School feeding programs have been shown to increase school enrollment, ultimately helping to break the cycle of poverty. In Haiti, Stop Hunger Now has provided 10 million meals.
And 5.6 million of in-kind aid, including clothes and medical supplies.
They feed them here with the food that Stop Hunger sent. The parents are at peace to send their children to school knowing that they will get something to eat. And it's very obvious once the children eat, and the joy and the contentment and the retention that they have, it has increased a lot because they have something on their tummy.
What we want everyone to know is that hunger is solvable and is the common thread among the most challenging issues. When hunger is targeted, you give leverage and hope to every other cause, including poverty, disease, education, and the welfare of women and children. Rod Brooks, Stop Hunger Now, CEO.
Stop Hunger Now has served 78 countries, has delivered 70 million worth of aid and 30 million meals. Our vision is to end hunger in our lifetime. Working together, we can end hunger.